Hello everyone, welcome to my certification. So we are seeing linear equations in one variable topic now. So in the previous classes we have seen how to solve the simple equations as well as some application oriented problems on simple equations. So today in this class we are going to see how to solve the equations which has the variables on both sides. So far we have solved the equations which has a variable on a single side, either in the RHS side or in the LHS side. But in this class we are going to solve the variables which is on both the sides. Okay, come, let's do the problems. Okay, so here we are seeing 7x minus 5 is equal to 2x. Okay, so what is a variable here? X is a variable. So here x is in the 7x is in the LHS side and 2x is in the RHS side. So how to solve this? First, we have to write all the variables on one side, either in the LHS or RHS. Okay, all the variables should be on one side and the numerals should be on the other side. Okay, so now I am separating both the LHS and RHS in a way such that all the variables will be on one side. So this is a plus 2x, so I am going to shift this to LHS side. So what will it become? It becomes minus, so 7x minus 2x, okay, is equal to, now this minus 5 I am going to transpose it to RHS. It become plus 5. Why? Because this is minus 5, so it become plus 5. Now 7x minus 2x, both are same variable, though we have two variables but both are same variables, both are x, so we can subtract 7 with 2. Okay, so you can subtract 2 from 7. What is 7 minus 2? It is 5x is equal to 5. Okay, now we want only x value here. So what we have to do? We have to transpose this 5 to the RHS side. So that means x is equal to 5 by 5. Now we can cancel this 5 into 1, 5 into 1. So x is 1. Okay, let's see the second one. 5x minus 12 is equal to 2x minus 6. Okay, here I have x and x, two variables, and minus 12 and 6, two numbers. Now I am going to write these two variables on one side and these two numbers on the one side. Okay, so I am going to shift this 2x to the RHS side, sorry, LHS side. So what will become? 5x, this is plus 2x, so it becomes minus 2x is equal to, this is minus 6 and this is minus 12. When I transpose this to RHS, it will become plus 12. Now both are 5x and x, both are the same variable, so we can subtract 2 from 5. So what is 5x minus 2x? 5 minus 2 is 3, so 3x is equal to minus 6 plus 12. That means 12 minus 6 is 6. Same way we want x value here, so shift this 3 to RHS. 3 into 1, 3 into 2. So what is the x value? X value is 2. Okay, okay, we can do a check also for this, whether the answer is correct or not. We can do, I'm going to tell you how to do the check for this problem. So in the following problems you have to do it on your own. Okay, so let us substitute this x value in this given equation. Okay, so 5 into 2 minus 12 is equal to 2 into 2 minus 6. Okay, so what is 5 into 2? 10 minus 12 is equal to 2 into 2 is 4 minus 6. So what is 10 minus 12? Minus 2 is equal to, what is 4 minus 6? Minus 2. So minus 2 is equal to minus 2. That means LHS is equal to RHS. So x is equal to 2 is the correct answer. So in this way you can do the check for the following problems. Okay, let's see the next problem. Okay, again similar problem. Here the variable is 7p and 3p. So what we have to do? We have to write both the variables on one side and both the numbers on other side. So this is 8. So what will it become when we transpose this to RHS? It will become plus 3. What is 7p minus 3p? 4p is equal to 8 plus 3. 11. So we want p value. Shift this 4, it become division. So p value is 11 by 4. So you can do the check how we have done in the previous problem for the same problem. Okay, substitute this p value in the given equation. Okay, after solving both LHS and RHS, we have to get both the answer should be equal. LHS must be equal to RHS. If LHS is equal to RHS, then your answer is correct. If both the LHS and RHS not equal, then whatever the answer we got, that is the wrong answer. Okay, so try to do the check for each and every problem. Okay, let's see the next question. 8m plus 9 is equal to 7m plus 8. Same problem here. M, 8m and 7m are the variables. So write both the variables on one side and numbers on other side. Okay, this is plus 9, so it will become minus 9 when we transpose it. So what is 8 minus 7? 1m. What is 8 minus 9? Minus 1. I want only m value. So minus 1 by 1. Minus 1 by 1 means nothing but minus 1. Okay, denominator, if we have 1 in the denominator, we can no need to represent the denominator. Simply we can write minus 1 on the numerator number. Okay, so let's see the next question. Okay, here 7z plus 13 is equal to 2z plus 4. So 2z and 7z are the variables. So I am going to write both these numbers on one side. This is plus 2z, so it becomes minus 2z, and this is 4, it becomes minus 13. Okay, so what is 7 minus 2? 7 minus 2 is 5z is equal to what is 4 minus 13? 4 minus 13 is minus 9. Why? Because this is 4 minus 13. Okay, that is minus 9. So we want only z value. What is the z value here? Transpose this 5 to the RHS, it becomes division. That means z is equal to minus 9 by 5. Okay, coming to the next one, a similar problem. 9y plus 5 is equal to 15y minus 1. Okay, here y is the variable. So write this 9y minus 15y is equal to, this is minus 1 and this is plus 5. So transpose we can become minus 5. So what is 9 minus 15? Minus 6y. Why I am writing minus here? This is 9 minus 15. Okay, here we have negative sign for the largest number, so we have to write minus before the result. Okay, 9 minus 15 is minus 6 is equal to minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6. Okay, how we are doing this? Minus into minus is plus. Okay, so we have to add these two numbers. So 1 plus 5 is 6. But what is the largest number here? 5 is the largest number. So 5, what is the sign we have for the 5? Minus. So answer will become minus 6. Now we can cancel these two negatives. Okay. Now what is remaining left? 6. Transposing this number we will get 6 by 6. So 6 by 6 is nothing but 1. So y value is 1. Okay. Okay, coming to the next one. 3x plus 4 is equal to 5 into x minus 2. Okay. Here they gave 5 into x minus 2. So what we have to do first? We have to multiply this RHS. So write down the LHS as it is. 3x plus 4 is equal to 5 into x minus 2. What is 5 into x? 5x minus 5 into 2 is 10. Okay. So now 3x and 5x are the variables. So 3x, transpose this here, minus 5x is equal to, this is minus 10 and this is, it will become minus 4. So what is 3 minus 5? Minus 2x is equal to, what is minus 10 minus 4? Minus 14. Okay, now we are going to cancel both the negatives. Now it will become x is equal to 14. By transposing the 2, it will become division. So 2 into 1, 2 into 7. So what is the value left here? X value is 7. Substitute this x in this given equation. After solving, we should get LHS is equal to RHS. If both the LHS and RHS are equal, then our answer is correct. Okay, let's do the next problem. 3 into t minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2t minus 1. Okay, similarly what we have done in the previous one, just multiply this 3 with t minus 3 and this 5 with 2t minus 1. Okay, 3 into t is 3t minus 3 into 3 is 9 is equal to 5 into 2 10t minus 5 into 1 5. Okay, now we have to write both the variables on one side. So 3t, this is plus, so this it will become minus 10t is equal to minus 5, and this is minus 9, it will become plus 9. Okay, so what is 3 minus 10? Minus 7t is equal to, what is 9 minus 5? 9 minus 5 is 4. We want only t value. So t is equal to, transpose this to RHS side, it will become 4 by minus 7. Okay, if the negative is in the denominator, we can write it in the numerator also. Okay, so the value of t is minus 4 by 7. Okay. Okay, next one, similar problem what we have done in the previously. Okay, so 5 we have to multiply with p minus 3 and 3 with p minus 2. So multiply 5 into p is 5p minus 5 into 3 is 15 is equal to 3 into p is 3p minus 3 into 2 is 6. Okay, now write both the variables on one side. 5p, this is plus, now it become minus 3p is equal to minus 6. This is minus 15. While transposing, it will become plus 15. Okay, so what is 5p minus 3p? 5p minus 3p is 2p. 2p is equal to 15 minus 6. 15 minus 6 is nothing but plus 9. Okay, we want p value. So p value is 9. Transpose this 2 to the RHS, it will become division. So p value is 9 by 2. Okay, similarly, next one. Same, we have to multiply 5 with z plus 3 and 4 with 2z plus 1. So 5 into z is 5z plus 5 into 3 is 15 is equal to 4 into 2z. 4 2's 8z plus 4 into 1 4. Okay, now write both the variables on one side. 5z, this will become minus 8z is equal to 4, and it will become minus 15. Okay, so what is 5 minus 8? Minus 3z is equal to, what is 4 minus 15? Minus 11. Both the negative signs will get cancelled. So we have 3z is equal to 11. We want only z values. Transpose this 3 to the RHS. It will become 11 by 3. So z value is 11 by 3. Okay. Next one. We have two terms in the LHS side. Okay. So one term on the RHS side. First we have to multiply 15 with x minus 1 and 4 with x plus 3 and 2 with 7 plus x. Okay. 15 into x is 15x minus 15 into 1 is 15 plus 4 into x is 4x plus 4 into 3 is 12 is equal to 2 into 7 is 14 plus 2 into x is 2x. Okay, now solve this which is in the LHS part. Okay, we have two variables and two numerals. First we will solve this one. So what is 15 plus 4? 15 plus 4 is 19x. Okay, minus 15 plus 12 is minus 3 is equal to, what is there in the RHS side? 14 plus 2x. Okay, now we have two variables on both sides. Now write all the variables on one side. 19x, this will become minus 2x is equal to 14, and it will become plus 3. So 19x minus 2x is 17x is equal to, what is 14 plus 3? 17. We want x value. X means 17 by 17. It will become division when transposed to RHS. 17 into 1, 17 into 1. So what is x value? X value is 1. Substitute this x value in the given equation. After solving, LHS must be equal to the RHS. Okay, let's do a few more sums. Next one. 3 into 5z minus 7 plus 2 into 9z minus 11 is equal to 4 into 8z minus 7 minus 111. Okay, what we have to do? I think you are got very familiar with the previous problems, right? So just we have to multiply this 3 with this term and 2 with this term and 4 with this term. Okay, now let's do. 3 into 5 is 15z minus 3 into 7 is 21 plus 2 into 9 is 18z minus 2 into 11 is 22 is equal to 4 into 8 is 32z minus 4 into 7 is 28 minus 111. Okay. Now we'll solve this RHS and RHS part first. Okay. So what is 15 plus 18? 15 plus 18 is 33Z. Okay. Next minus 21 minus 22. It will become minus 43 equals to 32Z. What is minus 28 minus 111? It is minus 139. Okay, add these two numbers, 111 and 28. Minus 111 minus 28 will become plus. Okay, so 139. But the largest number is minus 111. So we'll get answer as minus 111. Okay. Now write both the variables on one side. 33Z minus 32Z is equal to minus 139, and this will become plus 43. So what is this? 33 minus 32? Simply 1Z is equal to 139 minus 43. It will become minus 96. So what is the value of Z here? Minus 96. Okay. Okay, next one. 8 into x minus 3 is minus 6 minus 2x is equal to 2 into x plus 2 minus 5 into 5 minus x. Okay. So multiply this. 8 into x is 8x minus 8 into 3 is 24. And we have minus here. So to remove this bracket, we have to subtract. We have to multiply. Minus into 6 is minus 6. Next, minus into minus will become plus. So this will become 2x is equal to 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 2 is 4 minus 5 into 5 is 25, and this is minus into minus is plus. So 5 into x is 5x. Okay. Now 8x plus 2x. What is 8x plus 2x? 10x. Okay. Minus 24 minus 6. It is minus 30 is equal to, this is 2x plus 5x, 7x plus 4 minus 25. It will become minus 21. Okay. Now write both the variables on one side. 10x minus 7x is equal to minus 21. It will become plus 30. So what is 10x minus 7x? 3x is equal to minus 21 plus 30. That means 30 minus 21 is 9. We want only x value. So transpose this 3 to the RHS. It will become 9 by 3. So 3 into 1, 3 into 3. So what is the x value left here? X value is 3. Okay. And let's do one more problem. Okay. And this is the last problem. So I think by this time you got to know how to solve these equations which are having variables on both the sides. Okay, let's do the last problem. 3 into n is 3n. You also try with me. Minus 3 into 4 is 12. Plus 2 into 4n is 8n. Minus 2 into 5 is 10 is equal to 5 into n, 5n plus 5 into 2, 10 plus 16. Okay, now 3n plus 8n is 11n. Minus 12 minus 10 is minus 22 is equal to 5n. 10 plus 16 is 26. Okay. Now write the variables on one side. 11n, and it will become minus 5n is equal to, this is 26 and this is plus 22. So what is 11 minus 5? 6n is equal to 26 plus 22 is 48. We want n value. So n is equal to 48. This will become by 6 when we transpose. This is a multiplication. So it will become by when we transpose it to the other side. So 6 into 1. 6 into 8. So what is the value of n here? N value is 8. Okay. So in this way we solved simple equations which are having variable on both these sides. Got it? So as I told you in the second problem, how to do the cross check for whether we got the right answer or not. Just substitute the answer what we got in the given equation. Okay, so let's do for this. I'm going to do the check for this problem. Here the answer is 8. N is equal to 8. Now substitute 8 wherever the value of n is there. Okay, this is the check I am doing here. So 3 into 8 minus 4 plus 2 into 4 into 8 minus 5 is equal to 5 into 8 plus 2 plus 16. Okay, so it become 3 into what is 8 minus 4? It is 4 plus 2 into 4 into 8 is 32. 32 minus 5? 32 minus 5 is 27 is equal to 5 into 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 16. Okay, so 3 fourths 12 plus 2 into 7 is 54 is equal to 5 into 10 is 50 plus 16. So what is 12 plus 54? 12 plus 54 is 66 is equal to what is 50 plus 16? 50 plus 16 is also 66. So what we got here? This is LHS is 66 and RHS is also 66. So both the LHS and RHS are equal. So the answer 8 is the correct answer. So in this way you have to do the check for each and every problem. Till now we have done 14 problems in this exercise. So do the check for every problem. Okay, and I hope you are very good at solving these equations. So please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and encourage us by watching the full videos. Thank you for watching. We'll come again with one more topic, familiar equations in one variables. Bye bye.